Hi there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video today that'll show you how to add a new page in Weebly. So just before I get into that, there's a link in the description for the video that'll take you straight to a free trial version of Weebly. So if you haven't tried it before, if you're looking to try it out, or if you need a free trial version for any reason, then the link to do so is right down below. So with regards to pages in Weebly, when you're in the website editor, you'll by default be in the build mode. So to add a new page, that's all you need to do is go to the pages menu at the top here, and then you'll see that by default you'll be here. So you'll see a list of all the pages in your site, and when you click them you can navigate to them and then go back in the top left hand corner there. So to add a new page, all you need to do is to hit that little plus symbol there. That will then give you this drop down menu which you can decide what kind of page you need from there, and then I'm just going to go for a standard one, and that'll automatically create that page, add it to the menu of your website and allow you instantly then to name it. So you can give that, whatever name you need, and then that'll create that page and populate it on your site. So yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. Once you hit done, then as you can see that it appears in the list, and if for whatever reason you need to get rid of it, give it a single click and then you can hit delete, and then that page is gone. And that concludes the tutorial. So like I said, if you want to give Weebly a go, it's down in the link as a description for this video. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or comments or anything like that, leave them down below. Thank you very much.